Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be cleaning up the donor roof portion that we're going to use for the window surround on the 71 Catalina project. I've got a fairly extensive amount of cutting to do, and I'm going to try to keep it very clean where I can mate up with the original brackets that are still on the car that we managed to salvage. The channel itself, I'll be removing a lot of this outside metal. There's one layer. We're going to keep this inner bracket intact. We're also going to use this portion that's on the seat back for the package tray, and I'm going to start cutting. I don't know how much I'm going to get done today on it, but I am going to try to remove all the excess material so the piece is a little more manageable, and then once it's a little smaller we can figure out exactly how we're going to mate it to the existing structure here. So wish me luck. Okay, I'm all finished cutting. I did leave some extra material on here. I'm going to have to separate the actual deck from this inner bracket, which I don't need. The one on the car is still intact. So I'm going to be grinding this down, looking for all the spot welds and trying to drill them out so I can keep the outer skin. And I'm not sure how we're going to attach the quarters yet, what I'm going to use as my line. I know that on the car itself, this piece is gone. And so I'll have to see what I'm going to do, how we're going to attack it. And I am going to spend the next, probably tomorrow, I'm going to clean up all the window surround here, see exactly if there's any repairs needed on this donor piece. I know I noticed a couple dents that I have right here by where the deck lid goes. Didn't notice that before on there, but I'll have to be working that out probably after I get the piece in. And then as far as the car, there is some further prep work that needs to be done. I am keeping this bracket here, but I'm going to be cutting away some of the roof line there and removing all that rotted spots, all those rotted pieces, and then I'll probably take some of the donor skin that I left on that on the piece that I just cut up. I'll leave that to the sides. So I'll be back tomorrow probably. I'll be posting some other videos of the prep, and as soon as this is all prepped, I will start to attack it in. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you soon. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks.